Assalamu alaikum 3 and 4 class. I hope you are fine. As you know, in previous video we read about application writing and I told you the meaning of an application, that what is an application and its kinds. I told you that how many kinds of an application. Students, I wanna tell you again that there are two kinds of an application. First, individual, and second is collective. And in previous video I told you about individual and collective application. Today in this lecture we will discuss about application writing, the pattern of an application. Students, I will tell you that how we can write an application and what's the method of writing. Firstly, I have written for you there are main points of application writing. So first, address, second, salutation, third, body, fourth, closing, fifth, date. These points I have written for you, students, and in this lecture we will discuss about address, salutation, body, closing and date. Firstly, we have to learn these points and we have to understand, then we can write an application easily. Now first point is address. I will tell you that how we can write address and what we will write in address. Firstly, students, we will start an application writing. So after 3 fingers, the distance of 3 fingers, you will write here after 3 fingers address. Address means, students, we will write the name of those person to whom we are writing an application. So we are writing an application to principal of school. So we will write here after 3 finger, as I told you that after 3 finger we will write application pattern. So first we will write here the principal. Spelling is Principal. After principal we will write here comma. Clear, students? The principal, you will not write here PLE. Mostly students write here PRINCIPLE. That spellings are wrong. You will write here principal PRINCIPAL. That is the spelling of the principal. Principal. After the principal we will write here school name. In which school you are studying, you will write here the school name. So our school name is Oxford. We will write here short form O mean Oxford. National High School mean ONS. In short form we will write here ONS. It means Oxford National High School. After ONS we will write here full stop. Clear, students? You have to write this punctuation must. You will write this punctuation. After punctuation the marks will be deducted. After ONS we will write here Farrukhabad. City name. After Farrukhabad we will write here full stop. Clear, students? This is address. We have written address, the principal, comma, ONS, full stop, Farrukhabad, full stop. Now students, our second point is salutation. Students, salutation mean to say salam. Mean we will write here, if we are writing to the principal, so we will write here respected madam, comma. After respected madam, we will put here comma. That is salutation. Clear, students? Now we will write body. Body, firstly we will write here. We will put lines. Students, firstly we will write here in body. You can write some words here, like you can write here with due respect, or it is stated, or it is requested. We will write here it is requested. This part, students, this parts, it is the part of body. Clear, students? It is requested that. After that, students, these two lines, first and second, these two lines, after this we will write. In these two lines we will tell about object, that why we are writing an application. What's the object of writing application? Clear, students? In two lines you will write object. After two lines from there, these two lines here, you will write reason. Here we will write an object in two lines. And next we will write reason. We will tell the reason of an application. For example, students, if we are writing an application for sick leave, so we will write the reason, that what we want and why we are asking about leave. Clear? That what's the reason that we are writing an application to the principal? We will write here reason in two lines. Clear, students? In body, students, you will write each and everything that which you want to tell to the principal, that why you are leaving, why you are asking about leave, and why you are writing an application. Each and everything you will write in body. After body, students, we will write closing. Closing mean, after writing body, we will write here in right side, here you will write yours obediently, or you will write capital, and Y also, Y and O you will write capital, obediently. After obediently you will put here comma, and next you will write here X, Y and Z. After Z, full stop. The last point, students, is date. After closing we will write here date. Date, how you will write date? I will tell you. First, mean that is the month of August. You will write here August 31st, comma 2020. Clear? Now our application is complete. Now students, in this video we discuss about application pattern, and I told you about main points. Firstly, you have to learn, students, point, address, salutation, body, closing and date. And after points, we have discussed about it, how we can write these points, and we have written here. And you will write, you will learn, and you will practice at home. And in this next video, students, inshallah, we will write an application. Clear, students? Allah Hafiz.